person will come and say like 3 guys.
This is...
Or you can ask the
Calm
house.
down.
Tempers will flare.
I cannot shut up. I will not shut up.
More drama guaranteed.
I feel like, man, your girlfriend asked me.
My opinion about you is that you don't have sense.
Oh, yeah.
And deep secrets will come to light as the Shine Your Eye Housemates return to your screens this June in the Big Brother Naija reunion show.
Don't sit down there and lie against. So what came out that made you feel like you recorded?
It's No Holds Barred. Big Brother Naija reunion show premieres on the 2nd of June and showing weekdays at 10 p.m. WAT on Africa Magic Urban and 10:30 p.m. WAT on Africa Magic Family. Headline sponsor, Abeg. Associate sponsor, Flutterwave.